Axel Durumal.
Dodong Ruiz. Joray Muraga.
Yo, it's your boy Nathaniel from Cold Blooded at ngayon tatanungin natin sila kung sino ang kanilang GOAT Panalay. Let's go!
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tryout ng Seafood Paradise at magtatanong tayo kung sino ang kanilang GOAT Panalay. Let's go!
Who is your GOAT? Peñas, point guard. My GOAT is Steve Nash Enriquez.
Who is your GOAT in Panalay scene?
Nico C, point guard. My GOAT in Panalay is Idol Dodong Ruiz. Shout out.
Who is your GOAT in Panalay scene?
Hello Dol, Mamak, point guard. Para sa kuha si Jenmar Bragais.
Ano si Jenmar man?
Every game ang niya good kay hype siya ba niya, medyo angas siya pero ang iyang pagkaangas naman good jay kuan, nabujay kabugabod ba. Nabujay ka kuan. Wala.
Nice. Who is your GOAT in Panalay scene right now?
My name is Kerbelos Nyara, point guard of SFP, and my GOAT in Panalay is Harold Kayunda and Kay Montanya.
Who is your GOAT in the Panalay scene right now?
Di Guzman, power forward. My GOAT in Panalay is Dodong Ruiz.
Dodong Ruiz. Nga Dodong Ruiz man.
GOAT.
Ikaw GOAT. Kinsa man imong GOAT?
My name is GOAT.
Ha?
Lagot-got.
Who is your GOAT in the Panalay scene?
Si Dodong Ruiz.
Dodong Ruiz.
Support.
Ngano si Dodong Ruiz?
Masking nagkaedad na siya, grabe ka kondisyon, wala pa baya sa kondisyon. O please support Ruiz Vlog.
Who is your GOAT in the Panalay scene right now?
My GOAT is Axel Durumal, point guard.
Ngano si Axel Dormal?
Kay dilaan ko siya skill set, na shooting, na kuan pina Devin Booker.
Who is your GOAT in the Panalay scene right now?
Ako rin si Rafael Pareño, ang akong GOAT kay si RB Arsina.
RB Arsina, kita ba? Doon kayo.
Yao Ming. Babatid.
Who is your GOAT in the Panalay scene right now?
Alyores, guard. Panalay King. Killer crossover. Joray Muraga.
Ngano si Morada?
Lagyo kay Motirag 3.
Mr. Longbam.
Sir Longbam.
Who is your GOAT in the Panalay scene right now?
Reyes, guard. Ako ang best, akong GOAT nga Panalay si Joshua Canoy, aka Black Jesus ng Davao.
Who is your GOAT in the Panalay scene right now?
Dennis Padilla. My GOAT is Joshua Canoy, aka Black Jesus Pangit.
So that's it guys. Comment down below kung sino ang tinuturing nyo na GOAT and comment down below kung ano na naman ang itatanong natin sa mga player next time. See you! Cold-blooded out!
That's it. Cold-blooded out.